Hey guys, today we're in Middlebury, Indiana at Essenhaus. This is an Amish restaurant and it's so good, and you can find their baked goods and products all over the state of Indiana. The Essenhaus holds a lot of memories for us. Keith's mother used to work there a long time ago, and she would take us there when we would go visit. This time we got to eat in an actual Amish buggy, which was so cool. The Essenhaus is known for their pies, their baked goods, and their good home cooking. It's all cooked there from scratch at the Essenhaus. Their fried chicken is off the charts. You've not had fried chicken until you've had theirs. Their Amish peanut butter and their apple butter is made right there at Essenhaus, and you can buy it in their bakery. The history of the Essenhaus is a story of growth, commitment, and genuine hospitality. In 1970, Bob and Sue Miller moved west from Sugarcreek, Ohio to Middlebury, Indiana. After arriving in Middlebury, the Millers purchased property on US 20. The property contained a small 24-hour truck stop known as Everett's Highway Inn. After a week of minor repairs and cleaning, they reopened January the 4th, 1971 as an Amish-style restaurant, complete with Amish and Mennonite cooks and waitstaff. Their bakery is separate from their restaurant, and you can take a walk through there and get a coffee, cappuccino, all kinds of baked goods that are baked fresh there every day. As you walk around the bakery, there is so much to see. They sell everything from popcorn to homemade breads, cookies, pies, anything you can name. It is unbelievable. After you finish your meal, it's definitely worth taking a walk around this bakery. They have so many things to choose from, and it makes your mouth water as you see all those baked goods. They even had a tribute to one of their workers who made angel food cakes for over 20 years. They had a nice selection of gifts to choose from in there as well. This was more than just a bakery. It was a nice little gift shop as well. Just look at those fresh baked cookies. Yum, yum. They had every kind of pie you could think of, and then some. Your mouth cannot help but water as you look at all of these glorious pies, knowing that each one is made from scratch. That peanut butter cream pie made my mouth water.
Yes, We make them every day in the morning. And our baked pies, we make them at night, but they're fresh every single day. Our hours are from 6:30 in the morning till 7, Monday through Thursday, and then Friday and Saturday is going to be 6:30 to 8. We make them on demand. They're about 4 or 5 minutes per pie. The lemon meringue is the only one we cannot make on demand.
I buy these noodles in our local grocery and use them when I make chicken and noodles and beef and noodles. There's that peanut butter and apple butter that you can purchase in the bakery. When you go to Essenhaus, you don't go in for just a quick meal. Be prepared to spend some time. They have some great little gifts. We were there just prior to Christmas, and there was so many things to see. They had some great pictures and artwork that were on the walls. They were for sale as well. As we make our way up the stairs, from the top you can get a bird's eye view of the whole restaurant. This place is huge. After we finished inside, we went outside where there is so much to see on the grounds. They have an Essenhaus Inn where you can stay. There's a conference center. There's all sorts of village shops. There's a shop called the Corn Crib, which had an actual corn crib inside the shop. There was one called the Clothesline. There was a cabin. And there was also a quilt shop. They had so much to see. You could spend an entire day walking around this little village here at Essenhaus. It was a beautiful but very windy day the day we were there. There is so much to see and do here on the grounds of the Essenhaus. If you make a trip to Middlebury, Indiana, don't forget to stop here at the Essenhaus. It's definitely worth the trip. And this quilt shop was gorgeous. They even have carriage rides that you can take around the property. If you would like to see more of our videos, click the video that just popped up on your screen.